Welcome traders to this week's analysis of dollar index. My name is Vic. Thanks for joining me here. So dollar index has been consolidating here. The market has went up and fallen down and gone back up to near about same structure level, and now it has started to fall down a little bit. So as I have always maintained that dollar is going to be bullish and it is expected to reach near about this 200 moving average, which is near about 94 to 95 level. But that may obviously take time because we are looking at weekly time frame. It may take few weeks to few months, and that is where the W pattern will also finish. So that's where it is going to go. But meanwhile, it is following its own path, like it will go through all its structures and structure levels, all of those levels, right? So right now it is expected to fall further down. Why? Because if I go to the daily time frame, the market has come and closed this particular gap, which we have been monitoring for a long period of time. And because DXY does not leave any gaps open, so far historically it has never left any gap open. There is a gap here somewhere around here, and it is probably going to come back down to fill that gap up before it starts to move upwards. So in that process, it is also forming a W pattern, and the market is falling down because the W pattern is complete and it is expected to continue to fall for some time. Now let's go to the 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, the market is it went ranging into ranging mode here, then started to complete this W pattern here, fell down, created another minor W pattern, and now it is falling down. I expect it to fall down to this moving average, which is near about 91.827, and if that is broken, then it is going to continue to fall down to near about 91.2. So that's what we have. Let's bring in the original analysis. This is what we have been monitoring. Remember, we were looking at this particular area, and we have been long from here particular point, and we added to our long positions from this FCP zone. The market shot up. There was a gap left in this FCP zone. This is what I was talking about. So this is FCP zone which turned into support zone. The market has gone up, closed that gap. It is coming back down. So the first port of call will be near about this level, this zone. So the market may continue to fall down, and all of these horizontal lines can still be acting as your support or resistance, whatever you want to call them. Because if the market is going up, same level is going to act as resistance, and if the market is falling down, then that level will act as support. So right now, the next support that I see on this daily time frame is near about 91.9, which is 92 as per se. So near about this, where we have this moving average confluencing as well. So that looks like a good support level here. And then next one is going to be 91.738. Now, after that, it may bounce off this FCP zone because it has previously done that, but I'm expecting it to fall down, continue to fall down into this next FCP zone, where we have 200 moving average as well, and then we have gap left. So once the gap has been closed, the W patterns target will be finished as well. That means the market will start to go upwards after that. So I'm expecting dollar to continue to fall down until it closes the gap, because it has been able to do the same thing here. It has closed this previous gap. So, having said that, however, gaps are never guaranteed to be filled. Remember, I have mentioned this in previous analysis several times. There is a gap which was there on Euro USD, and that was filled last year after I think 3.5 years or so. So you never know whether it is going to get filled for sure or not, but it usually does. DXY usually go back up in a few weeks or few days and closes that gap up. So that's what's happening. Left the gap and it is coming back to fill it. Once it has filled, it is going to go back up again. So that's what we have on DXY. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and put a comment below this video telling me how you enjoyed this analysis, what you found useful in this analysis, or what is your opinion. And if you have any questions, also put them into comments and I'll try my best to answer them. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great trading week.